Ever wondered how your motorcycle knows when a wheel is about to lock up or slip? The answer lies in the tiny but powerful component called the wheel speed sensor. A wheel speed sensor, also known as an ABS sensor, measures the rotational speed of each wheel and sends that data in real time to the vehicle's ECU or ABS control unit. This information is crucial for anti-lock braking system, traction control, and electronic stability program. There are mainly two types of wheel speed sensors, namely active sensors and passive sensors. Passive or inductive sensors. These work using a toothed tone wheel or reluctor ring attached to the wheel hub. As the wheel spins, the teeth pass by a magnetic coil inside the sensor, creating an alternating voltage signal. The faster the wheel spins, the higher the frequency of the signal. Active Hall effect or magnetic resistive sensors. Modern vehicles use active sensors that require power. These use a Hall effect or MR element to detect changes in the magnetic fields generated by a multipole ring. The advantage: they work at low speeds, provide direction of rotation, and are more accurate. Let's now look at what happens with the data. The ECU compares the speed of all the wheels. If one wheel is rotating slower during braking, it means it's about to lock. The ABS then rapidly pulses the brake pressure, preventing a skid. Let us now look at the bad sensor symptoms. A faulty wheel speed sensor can trigger warning lights, disable ABS, affect traction control, or even mess up with cruise control. Common causes: damaged wiring, corroded connectors, or debris blocking the toner ring. In short, a wheel speed sensor are critical for your safety, and they operate quietly behind the scenes every time you brake or accelerate. That's tech you ride on every single day. That's the short bit of tech we have for today. Do subscribe to Apex to Merc and stay tuned for more of the interesting stuffs.